Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May 3rd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Merck Co recently filed an application with the FDA seeking approval of Keytruda as a first-line treatment for patients with metastatic squamous non-small cell lung cancer. The submission is based on an interim analysis of the KEYNOTE-407 study, which met a pre-specified secondary endpoint of overall response rate in an early cohort of patients. Also in the news, the FDA issued a complete response letter regarding Novartis' filing seeking approval of a biosimilar version of Roche's Rituxan. The company indicated that it is currently evaluating the content of the letter without providing further details. In other news, Teva said that it now expects sales this year to be between $18.5 billion and $18.8 billion, up from prior guidance of $18.3 billion to $18.8 billion. The drug maker added that full-year earnings per share will be in the range of $2.40 to $2.65, lifted from a previous estimate of $2.25 to $2.50. In addition, an FDA advisory panel voted unanimously in favor of the safety and effectiveness of Achaogen's plazomicin for the treatment of complicated urinary tract infections. However, with regard to safety and effectiveness for the treatment of bloodstream infections in patients with limited or no treatment options, only 4 committee members offered their support for the drug, with 11 voting against. And finally, first quarter sales of Regeneron Pharmaceuticals and Eylea in the U.S. rose 15% to $984 million, besting analyst estimates of around $922 million. The company's overall sales increased 15% to $1.5 billion, in line with forecasts as net income surged 92% to $478 million. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.